I tried to do that. This is so good. Oh no. It's real hard to hold it up straight.
What was that?
Sniper shot, bro.
Yeah! That was wicked.
It was like sprayed it in. That was awesome. It was like a silly string party. Everyone was invited. Yeah, I don't think that can's gonna do anything special though.
Super zoom. Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Out of the peripheral vision, eh?
It's got a safety, man. I'm not sure how safe the safety is. It's not that it was turned on, but it has one. I don't think it's going to do anything with it. Yeah, that's right.
How did it fall forward?
We're good. We're good, mate, eh? Yeah, we're fucking good.
That's what we should. Anyone finish this? Bottles, man. Anyone finish this? Yep.
I saw an one just before. What about skill set? Pretty useless.